All right, time for lesson 6.5 taken from your book, and these problems are on page 377. We're only going to do 2 and it's going to be quick, so hold on. All right, if you don't have your paper and pencil ready, then you need to pause this and do that now, okay? I will be here when you get back. All right, the first problem we're going to do is 5/7 minus 2/3. We know that we have to have a common denominator before we do anything. We cannot subtract unless our denominators are the same. We know a couple of different ways to do that. I'm going to do the way I prefer, okay? It's fair. All right, so I'm going to use the stair method, okay? So using the stair method, I'm going to take my two denominators. I'm going to take 3 and 7, and I'm going to think what number will go into both of those? It's just 1, which basically means that all I'm going to do, if I have a 3 here and a 7 here, it just means I'm multiplying them together. Here's what it looks like in our stair method formal form. I would make my L like this, and I would put those multiplication signs in, and my least common multiple, least common denominator would be 21, right? All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's make this a 21, and this will be a 21. All right. I just say to myself, 7 times what number would give me that 21? 7 times what? 7 times 3. So I go ahead and put a 3 over 3 right here. 3 over 3. 7 times 3 is 21. 5 times 3 is 15. And then let's go to the other side. We need this to be 21. So 3 times what number would give us 21? Well, hello, it's easy, right? All right, I love it when it's easy. 7 times 3, 3 times 7. And whatever we do to the bottom, you can say it, we have to do to the top. So here we go. 2 times 7 is 14. So guys, here's what my new problem is. My new problem is 15 over 21 subtract 14 over 21. The answer is 1 over 21. Final answer. Nicely done. Let's do an addition problem real quickly because you guys have this. I know you do. All right. Let's see, my addition problem. How about we do 1/3 plus 4/18? 1/3 plus 4/18. Again, I have to look for a common denominator. Now, some of you probably already see a connection here. There is 3 times something that would give me 18. When you see that one denominator, when multiplied, would give you that denominator, you're already done, really. You're done with that. You don't really necessarily have to use that stair method. You can, but you don't really have to. All you need to do is, this will stay the same, and this side will be something that will give me 18. If you know your factors, this is going to be much easier for you. 3 times what is 18? There is a fast fact that you should know. It's 6. All right, 3 times 6 is 18. What do I do to the top? Whatever I did to the bottom. So 3 times 6 and 1 times 6. There you go. So 1 times 6 is 6. My new problem is 6 over 18. I took this one, plus this one I didn't have to do anything for. All right, multiply, leaving the denominator the same, and we get 10 over 18. Hopefully some of you right now go, but it's not in reduced form. It's not in simplest form. So my suggestion, you know what it's going to be, right? Stair method. So let's go ahead and do it real quickly. Stair method, I'm going to put my 10 and my 18 right here, and I'm going to ask, what number will go into both of those? 2. They're both even numbers. So 2 times what is 10? 5. 2 times what is 18? 9. There isn't a number that will go into both of those. So that is my reduced answer. That is, as I like to say, my final answer. Now please, on this page, go ahead and practice.